for you. Flow and leadership. So I want you guys to think about that. When I use the word flow, what comes to mind?
Flow of value.
Flow of value. Thank you very much. Let's give it up for Amy. So pretty much everything that we've been talking about, right? Whether it's Scrum at Scale or quality over at USCIS, or in the morning with Bob talking about the mission agility sparks, it all has to do with delivering value to the customer as quickly as possible, learning from that delivery of value, and adjusting our approach as we go forward. And to do that, we have to enable the flow of value in our organization. So whether we use the Scale Agile framework or Scrum at Scale or just Scrum, basically, if you have a small team, it's all about flow of value. Now the other word that I have for you is leadership. So what comes to mind when we say leadership? I'm sorry?
Metrics.
Metrics. I'm sorry? People. People, absolutely. Without leadership, without what we like to call transformational leadership, we're not going to be able to deliver the flow of value in our organization. So these two go together. Flow of value, yes, and our organizations are not wired currently to give us the flow of value. So it becomes imperative that we have transformational leadership in our organization so that we can deliver the flow of value. So I'm going to leave you with those two thoughts. But I want you to think about that when Amanda gives her talk, and then also when, I forget the name of is it Amira? Mara. Let's give it up for Mara. And as you leave from, as you go back to your work in your own organizations, think about these two things, flow value and the leadership. Thank you very much. With that, I'm going to hand over to Amanda Racer from the Census Bureau, and she's going to be talking to us about
Scaled Agile at Census.
Scaled Agile at Census. Let's give it up for Amanda.